In this quick tutorial, I'm going to explain you how to connect Pepperstone to TradingView. So if we go to the trading panel and then we search for Pepperstone, you can see that it's not available. So it's not a broker that you can connect to TradingView. So basically what we're gonna have to do is simply go to Pepperstone and then we just have to create an account here. Now, if we click try the demo, we're gonna see that basically we have the same overlay. So let me go back here, and here we can start trading. So we have different markets such as forex, commodities, cryptocurrencies. So it's pretty similar to TradingView. You have indicators, you have free demo with virtual cash. So basically, you just have to use their own platform. You won't be able to use TradingView because it's not available. So I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching, guys.